How to make chocolate muffin. These chocolate muffins have intense chocolate flavor with a light and moist crumb. They have double chocolate with cocoa in the batter and chocolate pieces folded in. Make them from start to finish in 30 minutes. Ingredients: 2 large eggs, 3/4 cup sour cream, 170 g, half a cup milk, 120 milliliters, 2 teaspoons vanilla extract, 10 milliliters, 1 3/4 cups all-purpose flour, 210 g, 2/3 cup unsweetened cocoa powder, 60 g, 1 cup granulated sugar, 200 g, 1½ teaspoons baking powder, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 3/4 teaspoon salt, 2 cups semi-sweet chocolate chips, half a cup vegetable oil, 120 milliliters. Ingredients notes. 1. Cocoa powder. Made sure to use natural 100% cocoa powder and not Dutch processed powder. Dutch processed cocoa powder has been neutralized in an alkaline solution, which means it won't react with the baking powders to give you a good rise. 2. Chocolate chips. I prefer to use semi-sweet or bittersweet chocolate chips for a rich chocolate flavor. Use a good quality chocolate for best results. 3. Sour cream. This adds moisture and creates a tender crumb. You can also use Greek yogurt or creme fraiche instead. 4. Oil. Oil helps cakes and muffins stay soft and moist. You can use canola oil, vegetable oil, grapeseed oil, or even coconut oil. 5. Vanilla. I love to add vanilla for flavor and richness, but make sure you use extract and not essence for best results. 6. Salt. Salt is important for enhancing the flavors, making them extra delicious. 7. Baking powder and baking soda. You need both to get a good rise. Instructions. 1. Sift the dry ingredients together in a bowl. 2. In a separate bowl, mix together the eggs, vanilla, vegetable oil, sour cream, and milk. 3. Pour the wet ingredients into the dry. 4. Fold together until well combined. 5. Fold in the chocolate chips, making sure to keep some for topping the muffins. 6. Scoop the batter into muffin liners in a muffin pan and sprinkle over extra chocolate chips. Bake until cooked through. Pro tips for making this recipe. 1. Don't use an electric mixer or you have a high chance of over-mixing the batter resulting in dense muffins. Just use a spatula and mix until everything is just combined. 2. Muffins don't take long to bake, so try not to bake them for longer than instructed. To test that they are ready, insert a toothpick into the center of one muffin, and if it comes out clean with no wet batter, they are ready. 3. Let them cool on a cooling rack before serving or storing. 4. Don't open the oven door or you risk the muffins deflating. 5. You can easily change up the flavors by adding an orange zest or even peppermint extract for a mint chalk version. 6. Feel free to switch the chocolate chips for your favorites. You could use white chocolate or butterscotch chips too. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel.